Please stop throwing up in my sink. I'm so sorry, Sam. Never throw up in my sink ever. Finally, she's asleep. Let's go put her in the bed. She should be happy and being kind to her. We'll play some games. Dun. Oh shit, okay. What the hell was that sound, bro? It was just him, whatever, I guess. Why isn't Jasmine, like, screaming? She usually just screams. Is she sleeping? I'm gonna go check. Where's Jasmine? I'm gonna go check upstairs, I guess. Okay, she has to be up here, right? Let me check in my room. She's nowhere around here, I guess. Let me check her under the table. No. Okay, she's not in the bathroom. Izzy's room. She's not with the pets. Okay, let's go check downstairs in the balcony. No, not balcony, in the backyard. And the other room. Please be in the backyard or front yard. Please. Where's the ball outside? Please. Okay, up. Okay, I forgot they were in the sleep. Okay, she's not in the backyard. I'll check that way for the backyard. Where is he? I'm calling him. No, I'm just gonna let them sleep. I'm just gonna call the cops. Where's my phone? Hello, no, what's the emergency? How can I this message? Okay, what does your daughter look like? She's a little, dark hair. She wears very some puffy clothes. Okay, ma'am, we will search her. Can you please tell us your address? Blah 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 blah. Okay, we're coming to right now. Knock knock. You here? Are you the cop? Yes, ma'am. Please open the door. Okay, come in. Yeah, may I come in? Yep. No. Okay, when was the last time you saw her out? She got to the elevator and she got dropped. Sorry, y'all. And then she fell asleep. And then what happened? Y'all fell asleep? Yeah. How did you know? Okay. Okay, so is there any enemies y'all have or anything? Okay. I don't know. I mean, there's apartments like in downtown, and when we went there last time, there was a guy looking at us weirdly. Oh, okay. So what? So kid, do you know what apartment number it was? Yup. I can take it. Okay, come on, take it out now. Bam. Anyways, okay, act like you didn't want to see this. Okay, I was watching YouTube just now. Okay, now. You had to be quiet. One sec. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Who's that? Oh, maybe it's the cops. I need to run. No. I need to run right now. So I'm just gonna take the kid. Help. Mommy, help